Hi Ifoma, I am thrilled to be sending you this video, and I want to thank you for all your hard work on that wonderful presentation today at the Oda Saga. I truly enjoyed this continuing education more than any I have ever been to, and I've been to a lot over the years. So bravo, thank you for a great seminar. And the two things I'm going to say that I took away most, which is just the tip of the iceberg, but one is very simple. The only reason for a Facebook business page is to do ads. I didn't really think of it that way, but it's true. And number two, I really liked how you brought up like your 3 words for branding. Like, what are your 3 words? That gave me something to think about, and I'm going to try it because of you. And I want to thank you again. You gave a wonderful presentation, and I think I'll be seeing you again.
Hi everyone, Beth O'Brien here with Howard Hanna, and just spent a full day over here at the Oda Saga in Cooperstown in continuing education classes for real estate with an awesome keynote speaker, Mr. Pierre. So lots of good ideas, suggestions, conversations, and with all sorts of agents and offices. So what a wonderful day it was.
Mr. Ifoma Pierre, thank you so much for your class yesterday. My name is Justin Dawson. Your class was very helpful. You helped me to realize that there are a ton of resources out there for not only real estate agents, but businesses in general. I feel so much more comfortable working on growing the business. Before I was just taking baby steps, and now I'm ready to start walking. And I want to thank you for all of your help yesterday and helping me realize that I can and should be doing so much more.
Thank you for a great day of learning, and I'm going to go out and find my story. Thank you so much for all the information today, and I'll work on it tonight.
Hi, Ifoma Pierre. It is Saturday morning, and this is Karen Camerata, licensed real estate associate broker with Howard Hanna in Norwich, New York. I wanted to say how much my husband and I enjoyed the seminar at the Oda Saga in Cooperstown Thursday that you gave. And if I had to say what I liked best, I guess the information on the newsletter and also the back at you. I love that. Thank you for all the good information, and we hope to implement some of that and appreciate your seminar. Have a great day.